Hi, I'm David, and I want to share my journey of developing an app that turned a time-consuming task into a swift and efficient process. Introducing PyQExtractor. While working on a Swift UI multiple-choice questions app, I faced a real challenge. Manually transferring 40 questions from a Word document to Xcode was not just tedious, but it was eating up my valuable time. That's when it hit me. Why not create a tool to automate this? That's how I developed this app to solve a problem I faced as an individual developer. Let me show you how it works. First, I upload the Word document containing all the questions into the app. Specify the process file name and location. The app then parses the Word document, extracting questions, options, answers, and the explanation for the answers. In no time, it generates the Swift UI code for each question, ready to be used in my app. I copy this code and then easily integrate it into my Swift UI project. Where it used to be hours of work now takes just minutes. Developing this tool not only solved my problem, but also opened up new possibilities in app development efficiency. Now I just have to clean up my code. If you face similar challenges, I believe this app can help you too. The code can be modified to suit any data extraction and modification. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Discover how you can streamline your workflow with my solution.